Hello everyone, I am Dilbahar Nawab from class 11 Science, Lead India International School, Swar Rampur. I am grateful to have opportunity to present Veer Gatha project in the honor of Gallantry Award winners. Today, overwhelmed by the opportunity to pay a tribute to one of those brave hearts to risk his life to save our motherland. I would like to talk about the patriotic life, courageous thought, bold actions, and fearless Captain Vikram Batra. Vikram Batra, the real hero of Kargil War. शेरशाह कहलाता था, वो मन से थोड़ा मोजी था। विक्रम बत्रा नाम था उसका, भारत का वो फौजी था। कारगिल की जंग थी यारो, वतन अपना बचाना था, फिर चोटी पर लहराए तिरंगा, ऐसा इतिहास रचाना था। बहादुरी से लड़कर उसने एक उदाहरण बनाया था, गवाकर अपनी जान इस देश को बचाया था। लिपटकर तिरंगे में वो लौटकर घर आया था, इस देश को अपना घर मानकर भारत माँ की गोद में सोया था। Vikram Batra was an Indian Army officer. On September 9, 1974, Vikram Batra was born in the Himachal Pradesh village of Palampur. His father's name is Girdhari Lal Batra and his mother's name is Kamal Kanta Batra. Vikram's father was a government school headmaster and Kamal Kanta Batra, Vikram's mother, was also a teacher. Vikram has two sisters and a twin brother named Vishal. Because Vikram's mother was spiritual, she called his twin brother Kush. The Kargil War used to call on the Himalayas peaks is well known, and Captain Vikram Batra, who played a key part in its victory, likewise requires no introduction. When Pakistan unlawfully conquered much of the heights to Kargil in 1919, the Indian Army began Operation Vijay to reclaim the summits. With Captain Vikram Batra was posthumously awarded India's highest and most prestigious medal, the Paramveer Chakra. The courage of this Paramveer has been talked about worldwide since the premiere of the film Shershaah, which is based on the biography of Captain Vikram Batra, who fought till his last breath for our motherland. He attended DAV in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. For his early education, he then transferred from public school to the Kendriya Vidyalaya in Palampur, where he studied from class 8 to class 12. He used to play table tennis during his studies at Kendriya Vidyalaya, and he had mastered the sport better than his studies. Vikram's Kendriya Vidyalaya was in the army area, so he saw army training, discipline and other things every day, which sparked his desire to join the army, and Vikram Batra later joined the army. Vikram Batra's unit was dispatched to the Kargil War on June 1, 1999. Vikram was promoted to captain after defeating the Hump and Rakhi Nab locations. Captain Batra's detachment was then tasked with liberating the most vital mountain 5140 directly above the Srinagar-Leh route from the Pakistani troops. Captain Batra and his troops approached the region from the east, completely unaware that the enemy was approaching. Captain Batra and his allies launched a frontal attack on the opposing fortifications. He led the unit to the front and jealously engaged the enemy, killing 4 adversaries in 1-to-1 fight. Captain Vikram Batra killed 5 enemy soldiers at point-blank range during the conflict in a tough face-to-face battle. He was critically injured after coming under fire from an enemy sniper. Even after this, he crowded and killed the opponents by throwing grenades at them. He accomplished a nearly impossible mission by being in the vanguard of this fight. Captain Vikram Batra was slain because he did not care about his life and finished the mission while under intense fire from the enemy. Though it was a challenging terrain, Vikram Batra and his friends reached the summit at 3 am on June 20, 1999. Captain Vikram Batra's victory chronicles were broadcast over the radio from this mountain, and he dubbed it Dil Mangi More. His name was covered not just in the army but across India. He was also granted the title of Sher of Kargil and the code name Vikram. The next day, the media published a photo of Vikram Batra and his colleagues holding the Indian flag on peak 5140. Saluting the valor and courage of our brave hearts of the Indian Armed Forces who laid down their lives fighting for our nation, all to keep all of safe. The Indian government posthumously awarded Captain Vikram Batra the Paramveer Chakra in 1999 for his extraordinary acts of gallantry during the Kargil War. Due to historic occupancy of point 4,875, the peak was dubbed Batra Top in its honor. The Vikram Batra block is a hall at Allahabad Service Selection Center. When we see an army officer, our hand automatically wants to salute him. It is amazing to do something for our nation and really dream to serve the nation as an army officer. दुश्मनों पर तेरी तूने जो गाज है, वीरता पर तेरी हमको नाज है, डटकर खड़ा रहा लोह समसा, गोलियों के आगे भरा जो तूने दम सा, दुश्मन की तूने ईंट से ईंट बचा दी, देश के मान की खातिर जान अपनी कुर्बान करा दी। जय हिंद।